I think the recently released new mold kits were released with a lot of user convenience in mind. The Academy's F14 is also excellent in everything, including assembly details, compared to the detention sentence. I prefer to paint as much as possible after assembling and bonding, so if it is a cockpit that has been assembled in advance and can be painted enough, most of it is assembled and painted. This work will also be painted after putting T work on some parts, after sufficient assembly and adhesion trimming. I'm so happy that there aren't many parts to modify the bonding line. In the past, kits that were simply divided left and right took a lot of time and effort to fix the bonding line, but recently released kits also make it easier for those who calculate and assemble such points, so I actually want to make only the latest new products. But I think it's hard because I have a lot of kits. Finished assembling, gluing, and simply trimming, and now ready to putty on. With only a small amount of putty, you can modify the joint line, which definitely reduces the workload and time. For the next video, I will prepare a video of putting on putty, drying, and sanding.